Welcome to the home of English for English grammar and vocabulary learning. Today, let's learn some more paronyms and homonyms. I have already uploaded 2 lessons on paronyms and homonyms. Watch them in the playlist in the vocabulary session because these words are very important for vocabulary and error detection. Let's start. English vocabulary, paronyms and homonyms. It's the third part. In the first part, we had seen the difference between a paronym and a homonym. Paronyms means similar in form, the words which are similar in form, derivations or origin, but different in meaning. But homonyms are similar in sound or pronunciation, but different in meaning. Paronyms means similar in form, derivation and origin, but homonyms are similar in sound or pronunciation, but both are different in meaning. So such kind of words are called paronyms or homonyms. See the first one, birth, birth. Both sound the same. B-I-R-T-H, B-E-R-T-H. First one means to be born. See the example. Gandhiji's birthplace is Porbandar. Second one, B-E-R-T-H, birth, a seat in a train. Indian Railway gives lower berth priority to senior citizens and ladies. So this is B-E-R-T-H, berth, that is a seat in a train. Second one, bridle and bridle. Bridle means reins, that is the headgear used to control a horse. And bridle means related to bride. See the first one, bridle, reins or the headgear used to control a horse. Example, it is very difficult to control a horse without a bridle. See the bridle of bride. The bride looked beautiful in her vibrant bridal dress. The bride looked beautiful in her vibrant bridal dress. So that is the difference between bridle and bridal. Third, beneficial, beneficent. First one means useful, beneficial. Reading is beneficial to learn English. Reading is beneficial, useful. Beneficent means kind. The king was very beneficent that all the people were very happy. So the king was very kindful or beneficent. Fourth one, beside, besides. Only the difference of an S. First one, beside, by the side of. Besides, in addition to. First one, beside, by the side of. His house is beside mine. That means his house is beside, by the side of my house. Besides means in addition to. Besides grammar, we should also learn vocabulary to master the language. So in addition to grammar, that is besides grammar, we should also learn vocabulary to master the language. Fifth one, bear and bear. Both pronouns the same. Here the spelling is B-E-A-R, bear. And here it is B-A-R-E, bear. See the meanings of first one. As a noun, it is an animal. We know that. Bear. As a verb, it means tolerate, carry, or give birth. Tolerate, carry, give birth. Bear. Example. These days, people cannot bear the loss of their mobile phones. These days, people cannot bear the loss of their mobile phones. So nowadays, it is called nomophobia, that is no mobile phobia. So people are scared of loss of mobile. So these days people cannot bear the loss of mobiles. That means they cannot tolerate. Second one, bare, naked. I like to walk barefooted on the beach sand. It is very interesting to walk along the beach barefooted. I like to walk barefooted. Means on naked feet. Sixth one, born, B-O-R-N, born, and B-O-R-N-E, born. First one means take birth. Second one means carried. See the first one, born. He was born in a rich family. Means he took birth in a rich family. Second one, born, means carried. The institute has a bond strength of 2000 students. The institute has a bond strength of 2000 students. That the institute carries 2000 students. It is having a strength. Seventh one, B-A-I-L, bail, and B-A-L-E, bail. First one means security. His application for release on bail was rejected by the court. That means his application for release on bail means on security. That may be money or any personal bail. Second one, B-A-L-E, bail. That means a bundle of cloth. A bundle of cloth. The donkey was carrying a bale of cotton on its back. Eighth, canvas. C-A-N-V-A-S-S. And here is one S is less. That is C-A-N-V-A-S. Canvas. First one means propagate. Canvas. Second one, rough cloth. See the examples. Mohan is busy these days as he is canvassing people for his favorite candidate. So he is propagating the ideas of his favorite candidate to influence people. That is, Mohan is busy these days as he is canvassing people for his favorite candidate. Second one, canvas. That means rough cloth. In the picnic, we used a tent made of canvas. That means the tent was made of rough cloth, canvas. Ninth one, site, S-I-G-H-T, site, S-I-T-E, site, C-I-T-E, site. All are sounding the same, but meanings are different. First one, S-I-G-H-T, site means scenery or vision. Second, site means place. Third one means to court. First one, site, scenery or vision. The excessive use of mobile phone badly affects our eyesight. It's a truth. The excessive use of mobile phone badly affects our eyesight. So here, eyesight, that is vision. Second one, S-I-T-E, site. That means a place. The municipality has earmarked this place as the site for the new hospital. So, as the place for the new hospital. S-I-T-E, site, place. C-I-T-E, site means to court. The advocate cited many examples to prove his case. Means the advocate quoted many examples to prove his case. 10th one, symmetry and symmetry. Both are sounding same. Symmetry, symmetry. S-Y-M-M-E-T-R-Y, C-E-M-E-T-E-R-Y, symmetry. First one means balance in size and design. Second one, burial place. First one, symmetry, balance in size and design. See this butterfly. It is symmetrical on both sides of this line. That is called symmetry. The butterfly looked very beautiful with its symmetry. Second one, symmetry. Cemetery means a burial place. The dead body was taken to the cemetery for burial. 11th one, career, carrier. Career means vocation or profession. Here it is vocation, not vacation. VOCATION, vocation means profession or any skilled job. And vacation means VACATION, vacation means holidays. Example, work hard to achieve a successful career. So to get a successful career, we must work hard. That is career, professional advancement or vocation. Carrier. Carrier means that one which carries. Something which carries some is called carrier. The Indian Navy has 2 aircraft carriers. The Indian Navy has 2 aircraft carriers. Aircraft carriers are large ships carrying aircrafts. 12th, confident, confident. Only the difference of an E and A. Here it is E, here it is A. Confident, that means certain or sure. Second one means confident, one who shares a secret. Confident, certain or sure. Study well to enhance the confidence. If you are studying well, the confidence will be automatically enhanced. Confidence, that is certainty or surety. Second one, confident, one who shares a secret. Example, the businessman and his confident partner were caught red-handed for money laundering. So they have committed a crime. So both the businessman and his confident partner means the man who shared his all secrets, that is confident partner, were caught red-handed for money laundering. So these are the 12 homonyms and paronyms for today. Now there are 2 questions. You may revise the lesson once or twice. First one, she sat dash her husband. She sat dash her husband. Besides, beside. Second one, the insurance agent is good at, first one, canvassing, canvassing. Choose the right one. She sat beside her husband. This is the right one. Beside means by the side of. She sat by the side of her husband. This besides means in addition to. Second one, the insurance agent is good at canvassing. This one is the right. This canvas means rough cloth and this one means propagate the ideas. So the insurance agent is good at canvassing. So here ends our lesson. If you like the session, like, subscribe and press the bell button for all notifications of the further lessons. Share with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.